Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how we can connect AirPods Pro to this device. So at the first we have to open the notification bar, activate Bluetooth, and then click and hold this icon to enter the Bluetooth settings. Next we have to grab our AirPods, open the case, then we have to click and hold this button to move them into the pairing mode. So click and hold, keep holding, and right now after a few moments we can release that key, and as you can see we can easily connect to this device. And after a few moments, okay, there we get some kind of the notification that pairing was failed. So that's good, because in always this kind of the tutorials everything goes well, right? But here we got some kind of the issue, and I'm going to show you how we can fix it. So let's close the case of the AirPods, put it back, then turn off the Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth one more time, then open the case of the AirPods, click and hold this button, keep holding, it for the all time, and we are going to reset these AirPods. These indicators will be changed for the red color. As you can see right now, they are making the hard reset and then are in the pairing mode. So let's try to click on them another time, and as you can see right now everything is fine, so we can easily click and accept the pair of the AirPods Pro to our Honor 20 Lite. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!